Ayan, kagigising lang. Pupunta ako dito sa balcony tapos ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung view. Taran! Ayan. Okay, ready na ba kayo? Let's go! Ito, ayan, ang ganda, di ba? Oh. Kasi lang mainit siya. Ito ang view dito. Tingnan nyo. Yan, may upuan. Taran! Tapos, ayun, may pools. May swimming pool. Tapos, diyon, doon, dagat. Sa harap ito is dagat. Paglabas mo, may dagat. Pwede rin pala doon lumangoy. Pwede rin pala doon lumangoy sa ano. Masyadong yung init. Masakit sa mata. Ayan o, hala. Pwede pala. Pwede pala doon sa dagat. Lumabas yung asawa ko, nasaan ba yung pumunta? Oh my God, kaya, diba, ang ganda-ganda dito. Taran, hanggang doon po, ang swimming pool. Malaki ang lapad niya, grabe as in. Tsaka ang ganda dun sa baba, oh. May ano sila, may balcony. Pwedeng mag-table, diba? So amazing, nakaka-peace of mind talaga dito. Peace of mind ang place na to. Grabe, ang ganda. Tapos ang tunog ng alon, naririnig mo sa loob ng kwarto. Tapos, ang ganda talaga yung mapag-isa, tapos mag-isip-isip ka. Ganon. O pwede rin pala maglaro doon ng nung base. Ano ba yan? Volleyball? Magpa-volleyball doon, no? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng hotel na to as in. Ang laki niya. Malaki. Tsaka, oh my God. Ang ganda talaga dito yung dagat. Ang ganda dito sa mga bata. Napaka-safe. Safe dito. As in. Daming nagsiswimming sa swimming pool. At saka ang init dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong degree dito. Init dito sa Grace. Nandito kami ngayon sa Grace. Ang ganda ng dun sa labas. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Bukas ikutin kita. Ang asawa kong gwapo! Yubira, I make a video. I make a vlog.
You like?
Huh? I see you were
You like
in the
this?
sea. Do you buy it? Oh, I thinking you bring. I forgot to bring mine, right? It's very nice with the white color.
Yes, I have one for you.
Tara.
There.
Tara. Ang malik ng asawa ko. My husband. Honeymoon.
There we have also bar here.
Yeah. Oh, that is
People
maybe
stay
the bar.
wow. And
You go
drinking.
there, you be right. Can we go swimming in the sea? Right. Can we go swimming in the sea? Look. Tara. Look.
And the old man going with plastic beer. No problem. Water also, but must have plastic.
Where you go? Where do you go?
Going
Down.
here.
You're not going in the seaside? The seaside.
No.
You're going for the seaside, okay? It's very good for the family holiday, right? For the children.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the swimming pool and also have the beach. Look. And also can play volleyball. And so many how to call that, shelter, with the umbrella. And we can walk around. It's very far and safe. Look. And also the sand is what? Is black sand or brown?
The sun is black.
Have also snow here.
Hmm?
Snowing here also. No, it's very hot. Look at the sunlight. Taran.